Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, if tan 2a equal to cot of a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Okay. So first write the given conditions. Okay. So given here is tan 2a equal to cot of a minus 18. So where 2a is acute angle, that means tan 2a. Here 2a is acute angle, that means 2a is less than 90 degrees. Okay. So we can write cot it as tan of 90 minus theta. Okay. So now tan 2a equal to, so we can write cot theta as tan of 90 minus theta. That means cot of a minus 18 can be written as tan of 90 minus a minus 18. Okay. So since tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta, so cot of a minus 18 is written as tan of 90 minus a minus 18. Okay. Now tan 2a equal to tan of 90 minus a minus of minus is plus 18. Okay. So now tan gets cancelled. So 2a equal to 90 minus a plus 18. So 2a equal to, so 90 plus 18 is 108 minus a. Okay. So minus a comes to the left side and becomes as plus a. That means 2a plus a equal to 108. So 2a plus a equal to, you can write as 3a. 3a equal to 108. So here 3a, that means 3 is multiplied with 8. So 3 comes to the right side and gets divided with the right side term. Therefore a equal to 108 by 3. Okay. So 3 3 is 9. So 188. That means 3 6 is 18. So a equal to 36. Okay. So in the question it is asked to find the value of a. So therefore a equal to 36. This is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. The next question is, if tan a equal to cot b, where a and b are acute angles, then prove that a plus b equal to 90 degrees. Okay, we have to prove that a plus b equal to 90 degrees. So first write the given condition. So the given condition is tan a equal to cot b. Okay, so given that tan a equal to cot b, so it implies that tan a equal to, so we can write cot theta as tan of 90 minus theta. So similarly here cot b can be written as tan of 90 minus b. Okay, so tan of 90 minus b, its value is equal to cot b. So here we are writing cot b, in place of cot b we are writing as tan of 90 minus b. Okay, now tan gets cancelled. That means a equal to 90 minus b. Okay, so this minus b comes to the left side and becomes as plus b. That means a plus b equal to 90 degrees. So therefore a plus b equal to 90 degrees. This is the required proof. So hence proof. So this is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. The next question is, if A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. So we have to show that tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Okay. So first write the given condition. Okay. So given that, okay, A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. Okay. So given that A comma B comma C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. Okay, so that means in a triangle ABC, so A, B, C are interior angles. Okay, so we know that sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, so we know that sum of angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees. So it implies that, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Since A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle, so A plus B plus C equal to sum of angles equal to 180 degrees. So now A plus B equal to, so this plus C goes to the right side and becomes as minus C. That means A plus B equal to 180 minus C. Okay, so now divide both sides by 2. Since in the proof it is required to show that a plus b by 2, so we have to get a plus b by 2 in the left side. That means, so divide both sides by 2. Okay, so a plus b by 2 equal to 180 minus c by 2. Okay, so it implies that a plus b by 2 equal to, so 180 minus c by 2, that means 180 by 2 minus c by 2. So split the denominator 2 to both 180 and c. Okay, that means 180 by 2 minus c by 2. So 180 by 2, it means 2 9 80. So 290 is. So it implies that a plus b by 2 equal to 90 minus c by 2. Okay. So now apply tan on both sides. Okay. Since it is required to show that a tan of a plus b by 2. So in the LHS part, it is we have to get tan of a plus b by 2. So apply tan on both sides. Okay. So apply tan on both sides. So then tan of a plus b by 2 equal to tan of 90 minus c by 2. Okay. So tan of a plus b by 2 equal to, so here tan of 90 minus theta, that means cot theta. So tan of 90 minus c by 2 is cot c by 2. Okay. So cot c by 2. Tan of a plus b by 2 equal to cot c by 2. So we have obtained the required proof. So hence proved. So this is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. The next question is express sin 75 plus cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 and 45. Okay. So we have to express sin 75 plus cos 65. So in terms of angle between 0 and 45. Okay. So write sin 75 plus cos 65. We have to express sin 75 plus cos 65. Okay. So now sin 75. So we can write 75 as 90 minus 15. Since 90 minus 15 value is 75. Okay. So sin 75 is written as sin of 90 minus 15. Now we can write 65 as cos of 65 can be written as 90 minus 25. Okay. Since 90 minus 25 equal to 65. Okay. We have written cos 65 as cos of 90 minus 25. So sin of 90 minus theta. We know that sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Equal. Similarly, sin of 90 minus 15 equal to cos 15. So in place of sin of 90 minus 15, we are writing as cos 15 plus cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. Okay. So here cos of 90 minus 25 can be written as sin 25. Okay. So sin 20 cos 15 plus sin 25. That means sin 25 plus cos 15. So sin 75 and cos 65 has been written as sin 75 plus cos 15. That means the ratio of these angles, trigonometric ratios of angles are between 0 and 45. So this 25 and 15 are between 0 and 45. So this is the required answer. So by this we have completed our exercise 11.3.